What's good? It's your boy Aristotle Investment. We back with another episode of Stock Sundays. Now I'm going to tell you whether we are about to bounce or keep falling. All I ask you guys to do in exchange for my expertise and knowledge is to leave a like and a comment. All right, that's all I ask you guys to do. Now without further ado, let's get right into it, folks. I don't want to waste you guys' time. So from the week of March 17th through the 21st, what do we have? We do have a Jerome Powell meeting on Wednesday. And that's pretty much it. So Wednesday is a big report. Let's go look at some of these earnings. All right. Go to eWhispers on Stock Twits. See what we got, folks. We don't really have much to look at. Got Nike, that's a very iconic sign. Nothing really that sticks out for earnings. All right. Now let's get into the market. Let's go to Bitcoin first. I always like to check on these guys. Looks like it's just holding this trend line, this third touch of support. Yep, just holding that trend line right there in this little 80K to 85K range. Nearly touched previous all-time highs. Yep, so it almost touched here. So in this range, you can pretty much buy. It's slick a buy now. So Bitcoin almost retesting all-time highs. I think we come lower on the S&P 500 and Bitcoin. I'm going to explain why. Because we're trading below the 8 EMA, so, and we have a little support down here. I would not be, or we could come up to retest this level and reject the 21. We don't know yet, but we must see. I'm thinking, two things could happen. We come up and reject this area possibly. And that could make sense, honestly. This could make all the sense in the world. It could come up here, reject, and make it seem like it's about to touch the 200. Just to fall back down here. And maybe we get a bounce here, but I think personally we could come down more. I'm just seeing bearish trends. I prepare for either direction. Still trading below the 8, could possibly fake us out, continue lower. So I'm watching for that. I do have some bullish thesis though. SoFi is my favorite bullish one. Bounced off the 200 MA, which would have been a great buy area. Now it's at 12, so it's only $1 that you miss out on. The low was 10.85, trading at about $12 a share, not bad. And it dropped from most recent high. It was further back in the day, 41% at one point, and then you got to think it's way lower from that point, from all-time highs. Retesting previous high. So I just been doing some research. Tesla on the 1 week chart looks very great with this retest. Well, I won't say retest. This pin bar off the 200 looks pretty good. Tesla pin bar off the 200 on the weekly chart could send this thing flying. Can't even lie to you. It could really send Tesla flying. So we gotta see what's going on with that. Want to see if it'll come down to this trend line. Was also looking at Apple. But before I do some more, make sure you guys check this out. Look, somebody said first month of Honey Drip almost 11K. All I've been doing is scalp day trading only. We'll be sticking to it since it's been working for me. Y'all see that? So we offer the best day trades, 10,000 in a month. Check this out, counting up 10%. So make sure you guys tap in to the chat. You guys know we have the best chat in the world. If you're watching Stock Sundays and not in the chat, you're doing yourself a disservice, because I'm going to spoon feed you guys. Well, we are, as a team, going to spoon feed you guys and give you guys the best plays that you need in order to win, okay? So check out all the games, come into the Discord, get some money, all right? And if you're on Instagram, comment the word challenge to participate in our small account challenge. If you're on YouTube, click the link in the description, and I'll pin the link in the comments, or just go to my description. The link is there, all right? So tap in with our small account challenge, where we post the best plays, and we help you guys turn 1,000 into 10,000. You don't have to start with a lot, and everybody's eating, all right, as you can see. So come tap in. Now let's get back to the next one. Apple. One of the ones that you always just want to buy on a dip. Watch this trend line appear out of nowhere. Boom, 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 boom. Definitely could use Apple at this dip here and previous high. So if we come down pretty good after we get faked out at the 8 EMA, possibly be a great entry right here. And as you can see, it broke and retested and bounced before. So yeah, I'm waiting on Apple to come down in this little area right here, in this 200 area. So yeah, I'm waiting on Apple. And then I think those are my, yep, that's what I like. And then SMCI. Oh, and Kava as well, Kava. This would be one of my favorites. Could definitely, if it comes down a little bit more, possibly get in right here. I like Kava. And even, you know, no matter how low it goes, it has a similar business model to Chipotle. So CMG also at a key level of support here. This is on a 1 week chart. When we go to the daily chart, same thing. So that's what I see, folks. As far as what I see from the market, I just think we could possibly continue down because the trend is down. I don't really see any support here backing this particular move, but we shall see. 61.8 here. Off that fib level, so it's pretty, looks like we need a correction. We're only 10% corrected now, like less than 8%. Down here is where we get the 20% correction from highs. So, you know, remember the market takes the elevator down, staircase up. So if it does fall, it's going to fall quickly. This was a very long fall. This fall lasted from December, we'll say January of 2022. That was a terrible year. To October 2022. All right. So that was a crazy one, but I definitely did the right thing with buying the dip on that. So again, folks, we shall see. But from my perspective, I think you should play with caution after a 10% fall. And, you know, yes, you can buy the dip, but just be prepared to average in more and actually be disciplined with your dollar cost averaging. Don't just take my word for it, but actually apply the knowledge. Actually put in a little bit. Because even if you make some money is better than no money, all right? Again, tap into the Discord. Thank you guys for participating in Stock Sundays. We're going to see how the market plays out. If we bounce, then cool. You bought some exposure on some of these dips, cool. If we fall, cool. What you want to do is position yourself to be prepared to win no matter what direction the market goes. All right. See you guys later. Stock Sundays, and I'm out.